Hey guys, today we are going to be talking about S and Z sounds. We were working yesterday on identifying words that are spelled with an S but sound like a Z when we say them. We also found some tricksters that when we say the word, they sound like a Z and they're really spelled with a Z. This can be challenging. It is hard sometimes to be able to know, do I use a Z or an S? What I'm going to share is when you're spelling, try your best. But what you'll notice is the more you read, the more you see these words and you're reading, you're going to start to memorize them. And it's going to start sticking to your brain. And when it comes time to spelling, you're going to go, I know this because I've seen this word a million times before. So that's why it's really important to read. Reading really helps with our spelling and our writing. So don't forget, reading is very important. All right, let's look at some words that are spelled with an S but sound like a Z. Here are some. Rise. It's spelled with an S, but it sounds like a Z when we say it. Nose. Rose. Close. These, those, use, and sunrise. These are all words that are spelled with S but sound like Z when we say them. Let's look at this next one. These are our tricksters. They sound like a Z when we say them, and they're spelled with a Z. Let's see. Frozen, maze, blaze. These are all words that sound like a Z and have a Z. We also spoke about yesterday in our packet. We even talked about graze. That was another word we found. Cows love to graze. They love to eat and munch on the grass, graze. Okay, so your job today in your packet is to first spell the words with either an S or a Z. You can even use this slide presentation to help you in case you're like, these are a little challenging. Let me check. So here are some words you're gonna draw. You're gonna draw in an S or a Z, and then afterwards, you guys are going to read these words down here and place them in either the S or, let me move my face, or the Z column. This word is chase. Does it sound like S or does it sound like Z? And you're gonna put it in the right spot. Let's look at this next word, nose. Does it sound like S or Z? And you're gonna put it in the right spot. The rest of the words are vase, close, case, hose, rose, base. So your job is to sort those. If you cannot cut them out in the bottom, you're just going to cross them out and write them in the columns. All right, talk to y'all soon. Bye.